So in this video, we will create a step-by-step guide that will help you to build an automated CRM system using Pabbly Connect. In this video, I will show you automation between Facebook and Salesforce, like how you can automatically add a lead received through Facebook lead ads as a contact in Salesforce. So this here is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So as my objective is to build an automated CRM system using Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to build this automation between Facebook and Salesforce. So to do that, I need to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So to reach my dashboard, I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as building an automated CRM system using Pabbly Connect. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook Leads to Salesforce. Here I'm going to click on connect. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the building blocks of this automation and integration. Here trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So as my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead should be added as a contact in Salesforce. So now to do this, moving to my trigger window, here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, this workflow is going to run automatically. So as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, now moving to my action window. As I want to add this lead as a contact in Salesforce, so here in my action window, I'm going to use Salesforce as my action application, and here it is. Now the action event will be to create a new contact. So you can see that I've selected my action application as well as the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be created as a contact in Salesforce. So now moving further, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads, and the authorization is successful. So here the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful. Now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the Facebook page that I've created and the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here this is the Facebook page that is by the name of Home Decor. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select the page as Home Decor. Here it is. So after selecting my page, I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that these are the forms that I've created. So I want to use this lead ad forms that is by the name of looking for an interior designer new lead ads form, and this is how the form looks like. So this is the name of the form, and here in Pabbly Connect I'm going to select the same lead gen form. So as I've selected my page and the lead gen form that is associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here it is waiting for a webhook response. Now that means now I need to do a test submission or record so the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do this, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here in this new tab, I'm searching for Meta for Developers. Now I will go to the page, and here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps, and under My Apps, I will go to Tools. And here in Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is a lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here now I'm going to select my page. I'm scrolling down and searching for my page. And here is my page. So after selecting my page, I've selected the lead gen form as well from this drop down, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead ad form, and I've filled in the details as well. Here I've mentioned the email, full name and the phone number. Now I'm going to click on next, and here I'm going to click on submit. So you can see that it says thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I've received the response. Here is the email, full name, phone number, created date and time, along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is successfully done. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I want to create this lead as a contact in Salesforce, so I've got the lead details. Here I need to build a connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Salesforce. I've already logged into my Salesforce account in the tab. So here I'm going to click on connect. Here I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization is successful. So Salesforce and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to these details of last name and first name. So I'm going to map it from the response that I've received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as from the response received, I've received the first name and the last name all together. So to separate this, here I'm going to click on this add action step. And I'm going to use text formatter by Pabbly. So hit this. So this text formatter by Pabbly will help me to split the text. So now I'm going to click on connect. And now here the text to split will be the name. So I'm going to map it from the response received, and the separator will be the space. So follow the same process to do this. I'm going to paste it. And here the segment index will be all. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now here you can see that the name has been split in two parts. Here is the first name and here is the last name. So now over here moving to Salesforce, and here I'm going to map the last name from the response received, that is user, and the first name, that is dummy. So I've mapped it. Moving to some other details, as I've not received any of these details through the form submission, so I'm going to leave them blank. Now moving to the mobile phone, here from the response received, I'm going to map the mobile phone and the email as well. So scrolling down, the lead source is web. You can select any lead source from where you are receiving the leads. So now here, as I've mapped all of these details, so this method of mapping is important. If I would have written these details manually, in that case, this information would have become static and it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So here I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here you can see that I've received the response, and this here is a successful response. Now I will take you to my Salesforce account. So here in contacts, you can see that the test lead which I've just created is successfully added as a contact in Salesforce. Here is the name as dummy user, and here you can see that the lead source is web. Here is the created by and the time. Here is the email, mobile number, and the last modified by details. So that means the test lead which I've just created through Facebook lead ads is successfully added over here as a contact in Salesforce. So this integration and automation is a successful one. Now, whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be created as a contact in Salesforce.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.